Now that we have made and uploaded our organizer into Schoology, I wanted to show you what it looks like from the student view. So I've added Sandra to my class as my student. And when she clicks on the assignment, this is what she will see. So it has assignment and then the description. The student has to click on my document to see their document. And then it says you are not connected to Microsoft OneDrive. So the students will have to connect and sign in themselves. If they're already signed in on Schoology and Edge, it should just sign them right in once they click their name. So now she has this assignment in here. She is going to click on Edit. And if I'm the student now, I can just type. I know that these gray boxes mean I can type, so I can just start filling in my characters, and it will just keep going down in this box for me as I type. When I am done and I am ready to submit, I'm going to X out of here and see how it says saved since it's online, so it's saving as I go. I'm going to X out and I can click submit assignment. Before she submits, her work will show in my view on in progress. Once she submits, it will show under submissions. So she can click submit assignment. Yes, submit. Done. Until I grade it, she can click unsubmit and go back and edit her work. You will notice once I did grade, she will get a notification right here. She got a notification that I posted something, and then it says a new grade was posted for organizer. So she can go here, look at her document, and she can see her grade and she can see her comments. So once you grade it, they will get a notification and they can see their grade and their comments right in there. And that is the student view.